Welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this Amazefit GTR 2. So this is completely dead. So without wasting any time, let's tear this down and see what is the voltage of the battery. If the battery is bad, then we can replace the battery or do something with this. So without wasting any time, let me tear this down. So there are 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me remove that. So I'm going to take this out. I have already taken out the few screw here. So this is the second screw, this is third, and this is the fourth. The fourth one is already slipped here, so it will be difficult to take this out. So let me try this. So you can see here the second screw, this is the third one. So fourth screw is bit difficult, so let me take this out. So somehow I managed to take this out. So you can see there is some battery has been replaced, some work has been done already, it seems. So let me take this apart and see what is the exact problem, and let's see the battery working functionality here as well. So there is a flex cable here which we have to remove. So very carefully let me lift this. So simply prying it, it will come out. So that's it, this part has come out. So no work in this part, so let me keep this separately. Now let's see the voltage of this battery. Some DIY has been done by some of the other person, so let's see what has been done here. So I have accessed the BMS of this, and the voltage here is 3.5 volts. So the battery seems to be good. So let me charge this externally and see whether this gets turned on or not. So let me charge this and come here. So I have managed to turn the watch on. This was the battery issue, and the BMS also was the issue. We need to replace the battery. As of now I have used temporary battery here, so it has started working, but charging part will be difficult. So we have to replace the battery completely, the actual original battery or similar to that compatible battery, then this will start working. Temporarily I have made it on. So if you want me to replace the battery, if you have stock, or if you want me to replace the display here, you have to provide me the spares, then I can replace, because I don't source this type of spare parts actually as of now. So alright, let me see, but this I have to replace battery and I will manage to send it back. So alright, that's it, this has started working, you can see completely. And this was the DIY work done by some other guy, but it was completely bad here. So because of that only it was not turning on. So I managed to turn this on, so as you can see. So alright for this as of now. So let me install the battery and I will send it back to my subscriber. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioViz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.